So I just did a video where I really messed up this work mat with paint, acrylic paint, Sharpie, and some other acrylic something. And I should have started this video before cleaning it at all, because there was black over here and black over here and black over here, and all I used was a baby wipe and it got all of that black off, except for this, which was from Sharpie. And we were just talking about that. I'm going to clean some off my hands while I have these. And Sharpies have alcohol ink in them. So what I'm going to try using, which should work well, is this 91% alcohol. And I'll just use a paper towel, or as some people call them, kitchen towels. It's dry. And I'm just going to pour a little alcohol on here. And there we go. Gone. There it all is. So alcohol will get Sharpie off, and baby wipes will get everything else. And we're back to clean. Just wanted to share that with you.